So using GitHub and Git, you'll have essentially a fairly typical collaboration process that follows a predefined series of steps. So the first thing you'll usually do is you'll create a branch, and you'll use that branch to hold whatever changes you want to make. Also to separate those changes from other perhaps people working on the project. So once again, you don't end up overwriting other people's code or other documentation. So in that, you'll go ahead and use the git command branch, which you can use to create the new branch, and then the command checkout in order to move to that branch. Now, once you've got the new branch, you want to go ahead and check out files to that branch, the files, the ones that you're interested in making the changes to. The command we have in Git is the add command. So once you've got the files in the branch and added, you can go ahead and make your changes and save your changes. And when you're happy with the changes, you can go ahead and commit those changes to your branch, which will then more or less set them as part of history. And then you can use the git command commit to do that, as well as add any necessary documentation that you want. Finally, when you're finished and your branch, all your changes are in and committed, you can then go ahead and go back to, say, the root and merge that branch into the main or master branch using the git command merge.